creating an SSH key on Linux or Mac. This functionality is built in. It should be right there in your Mac. When you go to GitHub, and if you come here to download a repository, you may see this message saying you don't have any SSH keys. You can always use HTTPS, but the way you really should be doing it, the most secure way, is to use an SSH key. And what this does is simply tells GitHub, you and GitHub exchange keys so that GitHub knows who you are and you know who GitHub is. That's really all it requires. To create an SSH key on GitHub, go to your icon, go to settings. We're going to install this for your entire account. You could install it for individual repositories, but we're going to do it for the entire account. Go to SSH key, and there's a guide here that tells you how to do it. You would click over here and enter the information. You can always read that guide, and I suggest you do, but I'm just going to give you the quick and dirty. So starting from your home directory, the command line, or either, you notice I'm constantly showing you both. So in Linux, at least, in order to show hidden folders or hidden files, you need to whatever. Here, you choose this option, or I might just happen to know on Ubuntu it's Control H. Will show you hidden folders and files. What you're looking for is a folder called .ssh. Any folder in Linux or Mac that starts with a dot is hidden. That does not hold true for Windows. In Windows, you have to set a property, but just by naming something on a Linux or a Mac system, that file is hidden. There is no SSH here, so we're going to create an SSH. There's a program on your machine. It should already be there called SSH Keygen. We're just going to run it, SSH key. We're going to run that. Just take the default options, keep hitting enter, and you'll notice that it created a folder over here, right here, called SSH, and inside of our two files. This is the public key, this is the private key. This you never share with anyone. This you share with whoever you want to communicate with. So what you need to do is you need to open this up, copy the entirety of the file, go to GitHub, and paste that in here. And then you need to give it a name. I usually give it the name of the user and the machine I'm coming from, which should be part of the key. But it could be anything, doesn't matter what it is. That's just for you to recognize it when you're looking at this list, so you know what it is. So now that you've added that, if you come back to repositories, let's go back again. Okay, let's do this the easy way. We're going to look at this repository. You will now notice that if you come here, it recognizes you have a key. So what you can do is copy that. What you can do is you want to move into your repo, CD, repos, GitHub, and then say git clone, and then paste that URL and hit enter. And it'll ask you if you want to do this, say yes. And then once you've done that, in here you'll see GitHub. There's your repo.